Good morning, one and all. Let us start today with MCQ on chapter 1 as we have completed the chapter 1. So let me just summarize what we have discussed in the chapter 1. So we have started with, in chapter 1, we have started with the definition of signal system and signal processing. After that, we have discussed on block diagram of digital signal processing. Then we have discussed applications of digital signal processing, advantage, disadvantages of signal processing. And then after that, we have discussed correlation and types of correlation. We have solved an example related to the correlation. Then at the end, we have discussed digital transfer function. And we have analyzed or we have studied about the criteria for stability and causality. And we have solved an example related to the criteria of stability and causality. Hope everyone has understood here in the unit 1. So any question or any problem, any doubt anybody is having in unit 1? Hope my question is clear to all. My voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any question from the first one, unit 1, or any doubt from the unit
No,
1?
sir.
Okay. Thank you. Anybody else? Can I get a response from the boys side? Because today I'm going to ask you the questions. So you have to okay, let us start with that. Let me start my screen. My screen is visible. Screen दिसतोय का सगळ्यांना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now you have to answer me the questions here. We will have a discussion on this. Maybe I don't know whether this time your exams are on this MCQ or descriptive. It is not finalized till date. So we will go with both the things parallelly. Okay. So now, can anyone tell me the answer of the first question? Can anyone read what is the first question? First question क्या है? Read कर सकते हैं क्या कोई? Yes. Who will read it? What is the first question? Hello. Screen दिसतोय ना सगळ्यांना? Hope my screen is visible to all.
Yes, sir.
Please read first question.
And the energy of signal x of n equal to 1 by 3 raised to n u of n equal to.
Okay. So anybody, this is your signals and system question, right? So how we are calculating energy of a signal? What is the formula we have? Formula to calculate energy of signal. Anybody?
Summation n equal to minus infinity to infinity
Equals
mod
to summation
x
n equals to minus infinity to infinity.
mod x of n raised to 2.
Mod x of n raised to 2, right? तो यहाँ पे अभी क्या होगा? What will happen here? So here the value of this u of n is there. U of n means what will be the summation value will get changed. तो u of n को 1 करना है तो summation का value क्या होगा यहाँ पे? It will become n equals to
0 to infinity.
0 to infinity mod x of n square mod x of n square again. Okay. Then this is equals to what we can write. Here we will just substitute the values what it is given. तो अभी क्या लिख सकते हैं हम इसको यहाँ पे? I can write it as summation n equals to 0 to infinity. X of n क्या है आपका? What is value of x of n here? Is 1 by 3 square. ठीक है? Or this can be done as simply. How do we write this? this will be equals to the power n will be there, right? This is 1 by 2 to the power n. In this way we will write. Okay, so then we'll write it is summation n equals to 0 to infinity 1 by 9 to the power n. तो अभी इसका एक स्टैंडर्ड फार्मूला है. What is that?
1/1 minus
ये, right? It is 1 divided by 1 minus 9. तो आंसर क्या आएगा आपका?
9/8.
Answer will be 9 by 8, right? So this is our answer. Which answer is correct here? Option B is the correct one. Correct? Yes or no? Hope you understood this.
Yes, sir.
What about others? बाकी जे बोला कि बाकी चंपन?
Yes, sir.
Others, you just please speak up so that I can understand you are getting something. There should not be like one-way communication. Okay. Who will read the second question? Quickly, fast. Please read the second question.
Is basically
Correlation is basically used to what? What is the answer? Is it theoretical answer? किसके लिए यूज कर सकते हैं हम correlation? What for we are using the correlation here? Yes. Correlation किसके लिए यूज कर रहे हैं हम? What for we are using the correlation? What is the definition of correlation? What is a definition of correlation?
sir option compare two signals.
Yes, it is a compare two signals because the correlation is used to find a similarity between the two signals or compare same characteristics are similar, like compare of two signals. So option B is the correct one here. Okay, good. Option B is the correct answer. Then autocorrelation is defined with, what is the formula of autocorrelation? Autocorrelation का formula क्या है?
Option B.
Option B. Why option B, madam? Why option B? फॉर्मूला क्या है ऑटो करलेशन का? समेशन, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला वी आर हैविंग? Rxx of L, right? Rxx of L is equals to, what is the formula we are having? Yes, फॉर्मूला क्या है ऑटो करलेशन का?
Summation
हाँ,
equal to minus infinity to infinity x of
k
m
is equals to minus infinity to infinity x of k, हाँ,
Into h of k minus n.
into x of k minus L.
Yes, sir.
बराबर, h नहीं आएगा मैडम. ऑटो correlation is correlation with itself, not with the other function. Hope you understood now. ये फॉर्मूला लिख के दिया है मैंने. Just open your notebook and see that whether this is right or wrong. बराबर है क्या फॉर्मूला?
Yes, sir.
Then
Yes,
what
sir.
is the answer here? Answer C, none of the above. ठीक है. Then next question. Hope you are understanding. Anybody has doubt here?
No, sir.
Boys आहेत का नाही तिथं कोणी? Boys, anybody is there? तर आता नावं घेऊन बोलावं लागतंय मला. Boys, can anyone give me the response?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Question number 4. Anyone from the boys, can you read it? What is question number 4? Question 4 from boys
A
side.
necessary and sufficient condition for LTI system to be BIBO stabilize.
बीबो है कि क्या है वो? What is that?
BIBO.
Yes. What is its full form? BIBO का full form क्या है? What is the full form of BIBO? Who will tell me the answer for this?
Bounded input, bounded output.
Yes, it is bounded input, bounded output. You see, people, you please forgetting your all basic things. So you should not forget that. क्योंकि इंजीनियरिंग का हर एक सेमेस्टर, हर एक सब्जेक्ट आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है, राइट? टू बिकम ए गुड एट योर academic career or to achieve your career. So all the subjects are having a same weightage, and all the chapters or all the chapter knowledge is having a same weightage. So you should not forget your basic things. I don't know how many of you all know that what company is going in our, like companies are visiting to our college. What is the placement activities going in our college? पता है क्या सब लोगों को? अभी रिसेंटली कौन सा कंपनी में कैंपस हुआ था? यस, कोई बता सकते हैं मुझे? कैन एनीवन टेल मी? हेलो हेलो हेलो, आता है? मेरा आवाज आ रहा है? The necessary and sufficient condition for LTI system to be BIBO stable is, option C is the correct answer. Yes, because if any condition is, if any system is said to be a stable system when it is completely summable. Barabar? So that is the condition. Yes, the answer C is correct here. Okay, next. पुढचा क्वेश्चन थोड़ा फास्ट जाऊ आपण आता. If the system described by y of n equals to x of n square is linear, non-linear, causal, non-causal. Yes, whether it is linear, whether it is non-linear.
Non-linear.
Why non-linear, madam?
A squaring system non-linear.
Squaring system है, very good. तो अभी हम यहाँ पे let me write y3 of n, ठीक है? y3 of n is equals to a1 x1 of n square plus a2 x2 of n square बराबर. आपला हे y1 of n चा आणि y2 of n चा आन्सर आहे. yes or no? Then y3 dash of n कसं लिहितो आम्ही? How do we write? बोलो ना. x of n is splitted into what? a1 x1 of n plus a2 x2 of n. तो अभी ये पार्ट को मुझे स्प्लिट करना है. So how do I write? a1 x1 of n square plus a2 x1 x2 of n square. तो अभी दोनों सेम है या अलग अलग है? Yes, whether both are same or different.
Same है.
Hello, whether both are same or different. Same है. Yes, these two are equal. Then whether it is linear or non-linear.
Linear.
लीनियर ही आएगा, राइट. कंफ्यूजन मत कर लो. ये स्क्वायरिंग इनसाइड टर्म है. अगर आपका ये फंक्शन ऐसा रहता था, एक्स स्क्वायर ऑफ एन अगर रहता है, सो देन इट विल बिकम अ नॉन लीनियर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? फर्क समझ में आ रहा है आप लोगों को?
Yes, sir.
हाँ,
Yes, sir.
फर्क समझ में आया? क्योंकि ये इनसाइड टर्म को स्क्वायर है, तो इसको फंक्शन को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है वहां पे. क्लियर? So the answer is A bit. Next, sixth one. If the system described by y of n equals to 2 to the power n u of minus n is. What is the answer? टू टू द पावर n u of minus n. तो आंसर क्या आएगा इसका? बता सकते कोई? Can anyone tell me what is its answer? Huh? What is the answer? हेलो, मत स्टॉप कर जगह this discussion.
Yorkshire.
Should I stop the discussion here? The answer C is correct one. It is stable and non-causal. Okay, let's go to the next part. The discrete time system y of n equals to x of n minus 3 minus 4 x of n minus 10 is dynamic system, memoryless system, time varying system, none. What is the answer? आंसर क्या आता है यहाँ पे? Whether it is dynamic, static, time varying, or none.
Dynamic.
Yes, it is a dynamic system. Okay. The next, eighth question. The system is causal when current output sample depends upon. Causal का definition क्या है?
Current and past input sample.
Current and past input sample and or past output sample. Which option is correct?
C.
Huh?
C.
Answer C. The system is causal when the current output sample depends upon current and or past input sample and past output samples. Okay. Past output नहीं आएगा. Actually, it will be past input only. It should be right. तो यहाँ पे past input रहता है ये. Present और past input पे depend रहता है ना? Right? Please just note that correction. Answer C is the correct one. This one. Okay. The next, sine wave signal is energy signal, power signal, short-lived signal, neither energy nor power signal. तो sine wave signal क्या है? Energy signal है या power signal है?
Power signal.
Power signal है. Thank you. Then question number 10. The system response can be easily expressed in terms of running sum of impulse response. The system response can be easily expressed in terms of running sum of impulse response. ट्रू, क्योंकि सिस्टम का रेस्पॉन्स जो कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं हम, रेस्पॉन्स कैसे कैलकुलेट करते हैं, एच ऑफ एन इक्वल्स टू समेशन एन इक्वल्स टू माइनस इंफिनिटी इंफिनिटी, व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला वी आर हैविंग फॉर द इम्पल्स रेस्पॉन्स, x of k into h of n minus k or y of n minus k, whatever you are having. So with that you can calculate the value. So it is a continuous expressed in terms of running sum. यहाँ पे running sum का मतलब क्या है कि we are using a summation and it is like having the value from minus infinity to plus infinity, उसका value आता है, right? So that's how we are calling. So system response, that is y of n equals to formula क्या है, y of n equals to summation k equals to minus infinity to infinity x of k into h of n minus k. If we have this, right, so then the answer is true. Next, phone are baba, you just unmute yourself. If the system described by y of n equals to log to the base 10 mod x of n is क्या है, linear, non-linear, homogeneous and none, what is the answer? What is the answer? Can anyone tell me the answer? ये linear होता है या नॉन लीनियर होता है? Hello, hope my voice is audible.
Non-linear.
Yes, it is non-linear. थोड़ा आप बताएंगे मैडम क्यों non-linear है? Is it possible?
Logarithmic function.
लॉगरिथमिक फंक्शन है, राइट, तो उसके लिए नॉन लीनियर है. वेरी गुड. क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि अभी आप जब इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो दोनों नॉट इक्वल आएंगे, लाइक y3 ऑफ n एंड y3 डैश ऑफ n विल नॉट बी इक्वल, सो इट्स अ नॉन लीनियर. ओके, स्टेप रेस्पॉन्स व्हिच इज रनिंग सम ऑफ इम्पल्स रेस्पॉन्स कैन बी रिटन एज द फॉर्मूला फॉर स्टेप रेस्पॉन्स वी हैव, इट इज ये वाला s of n equals to summation k equals to minus infinity infinity h of k. Then a signal has answer single value for single time instant, single value for multiple time instant, can have any number of values for any number of time instant or none. What is the answer? Yes, can anyone tell me the answer? बता सकते क्या कोई आंसर मुझे? Signal value for single time instant, signal value for multiple time instant. So answer C is the correct one, because if you plot any signal, right, अगर ऐसा आप सिग्नल प्लॉट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे तो क्या होता है, कैन हैव एनी नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज फॉर एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम इंस्टेंट्स, मतलब ये टाइम इंस्टेंट्स आपके कितने भी रहने दो यहाँ पे ऐसे, तो यहाँ पे इसको ये वैल्यू फिक्स रहता है, ये चेंज होते रहता है, राइट. सो इट इज हैविंग एनी नंबर ऑफ वैल्यूज फॉर एनी नंबर ऑफ टाइम इंस्टेंट्स. सो आंसर सी इज करेक्ट. 14, a discrete time signal has, क्या आंसर है इसका? क्वेश्चन भी मैं ही पूछना, आंसर भी मुझे ही देना है.
C.
Discrete time continuous amplitude, discrete time discrete amplitude, continuous time continuous amplitude.
D, sir. D.
Okay, the answer D is correct one. Okay, then 15th question, a discrete time system, if its input output at any instant depends on input sample at the same instance are called, if its output at any instant depends on the input samples at the same instant are called static system, dynamic system, A or B, D, none of the above. You please read the questions carefully. क्या आंसर आएगा यहाँ पे? Anybody? स्टैटिक सिस्टम का डेफिनेशन क्या है? Can anyone tell me the definition of static system?
only present वर इन डिपेंड असते ते.
हा, आता मग इथं तुम्हाला दिसतंय like if its output at any instant of depends on the input samples at the same instant.
Option A.
So it's option A is the correct one. Static system. Current value वरती depend आहे. Current output current value वरती depend आहे. So it's a static system. Okay. 16th one. The autocorrelation of sequence is. What is the answer? हे तर आन्सर तुम्हाला सांगायलाच पाहिजे.
B option.
Correlation of sequences with itself. Option B. Okay. The next. Question number 17. A mathematical operation that closely resembles convolution is. What is the answer? Now these are all the questions related to
C. Multiplication.
multiplication. How madam ऐसा करते? A mathematical operation that closely resembles convolution is. हमी study केलं, like we have studied relation between convolution and correlation. Whether we have studied relation between convolution and multiplication. Oh madam.
No, sir.
We have studied relation between convolution and correlation. आणि आता काय म्हणताय the question? What is the question? A mathematical operation that closely resembles convolution is. मग आन्सर काय येणार आता? What is the answer here? It is correlation, because we have a relation between convolution and the correlation it is. So answer correlation आएगा. Okay. A common way of viewing a system in terms of dash with input and output terminals. What is the answer? With input and output terminals. The answer. आता आपला हा एक system आहे. Right. So for this, I am giving input as x of n. And then I am taking output as y of n. What is this now?
Black box.
Yes, it is a black box. ठीक है, कड़ा लगा? Hope you understood this. क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम कुछ भी लगा सकते हैं. Like we can add some whatever we want here. It may be like amplifier, it may be any system, or it may be LTI system here. If you can take, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं आप यहाँ पे. So it is a black box. Okay. The next question number 19. The most common way of obtaining a discrete time signal is dash continuous time signal.
Sampling.
B.
Yes, it is sampling. क्योंकि हम लोगों ने already sampling के बारे में पता है. By doing a sampling of a signal, we can convert a continuous time signal to discrete time signal. Okay. Now this is very important question. The runs scored by team in each over in one day is a dash signal. आता मुलांनी हे मला आन्सर सांगायला पाहिजे. रोज IPL बघताय वाटतं तुम्ही आता?
Discrete time.
अरे मॅडम जर द्या की चान्स मुलांना. त्यांचा फेवरेट क्वेश्चन आहे क्रिकेटचा. है ना? बॉयज कॅन एनीवन गिव्ह मी? आता तेवढं मॅडम सांगतायत तर मला थांबून तुम्हाला क्वेश्चन विचारतोय मी. हा, Yes, is anyone is there who can give the answer for this from the boys side? The run scored by a team in each over in one day is dash signal. झोपले वाढते सगळ्यांनी आता. Sorry madam, आपने आंसर बताया, that's correct. It's a discrete time signal. Right. Next, the amount deposited every month in a saving account is a dash signal. यहाँ पे लेता हूँ इसको. Yes. The amount deposited every month in a saving account is a dash signal. क्या आंसर आता है इसका?
Discrete.
Yes, again it is a discrete signal. Okay, then ECG signal provides information on. ECG signal से क्या पता चलता हमें?
A. Performance of heart.
Performance of heart we can understand. Very good. ठीक है. The next 23. Electroencephalography is a medical imaging technique that reads scale up activity by dash structures.
Brain.
Yes, it is a brain. मेडिकलचे कोणी आहेत का मॅडम तुमच्या घरी? मेडिकलचे आन्सर एवढं फास्ट सांगताय तुम्ही. ओके, एनिवे गुड. Question number 24. An electrocardiogram is a graphic tracing of electrical activity of the dash. ECG कशासाठी बघतो आम्ही?
Heart.
हार्ट साठी बघतो. Right. Correlation is basically used to repeat झाला question. Compare two signals. So this is all about the MCQs of chapter 1. Hope you understood. यहाँ पे answers भी दिया है मैंने. ठीक है. You can refer this. Any question here? Now it's your time. You can ask me question. We have another